Whether you live near Schnepf Farms or the Santan Mountain Regional Park, there's no escaping the horrifying fact that over 1,500 people have died from heat-related incidents in Arizona alone within the last 20 years. Luckily, Comfort Experts has air conditioner technicians in Santan Valley that specialize in AC maintenance, repair, and replacements. For help with your air conditioning issues, give us a call today at 480-628-0965 or visit us online at azcomfortexperts.com/san-tan-valley.